Hey friends, here's the problem number 22. First of all, let us see the given problem. The problem is, a person starts from his house, drives his vehicle 1 kilometer towards north and reaches a restaurant. From there, he moves 2 kilometers towards east to meet his friend. Then he moves 4 kilometers in the southwest direction to reach the market. From there, he moves 3 kilometers towards east and parks his vehicle. Which of the following figures shows the route covered by him? Well friends, this is the problem related with the direction, and I think that the students may be knowing about the directions. If you do not know, let me explain. Now we are having 4 directions. Those are east, west, south, north. Again there are 4 sub-directions. Those are southwest, southeast, northeast and northwest. Basically 4 directions: east, west, south, north, and 4 sub-directions as southwest, southeast, northeast, northwest. And one more thing friends, whenever you come across with such kind of problems, while reading only, you start drawing the directions. Now let us read the question. A person starts from his house and drives his vehicle 1 kilometer towards north. A person starting from his house and he is drives his vehicle 1 kilometer. He drives about 1 kilometer. In which direction? In north direction. And he reaches a restaurant. He reached to a restaurant. From there, he moves 2 kilometers towards east. Thereafter, he is moving 2 kilometers towards east. Okay, he is moving towards east for about 2 kilometers. To meet his friend, he is meeting to his friend after covering 2 kilometers. Next, then he moves 4 kilometers in the southwest direction. Now let us see friends, this is what the southwest direction. And when he meets his friend, he is moving about 4 kilometers in southwest direction to reach the market. Okay, now he has reached to the market after covering 4 kilometers. Now thereafter, he moves 3 kilometers towards east. Again he is moving 3 kilometers towards east and parks his vehicle. Now what we have to do? We have to compare our diagram with the given options. Okay. When you compare with the first option is not at all matching with our result. Therefore, this is the wrong. And when you compare the second option, no doubt the second option is matching with our result. But when you observe it carefully, the directions are different. Because according to the given problem, he is starting from his house and he is moving about 1 kilometer in which direction? In north direction. But when you look at over here, it is in which direction? It is in south direction. Therefore, option 2 is the wrong. And when you compare our result with the third option, it exactly matches. Therefore, option 3 will be our right option. Well friends, we will see some more number of problems.